Hello guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss. So yesterday was a luxury task episode and we have with us Arushi is going to talk about it. So what exactly happened yesterday?
So Bigg Boss yet again came up with an interesting luxury budget task, and he gave the power to the contestants of the house to answer various questions asked by him and given tasks to the contestants, but none of them was aware that actually Manoj Punjabi and Priyanka Jagga was taking decisions for them. And the highlight of the show was the bathtub sequence of Mona Lisa and Gaurav Chopra. Though Manoj Punjabi and Priyanka Jagga had the option to either send Lopamudra and Swami Om in the jacuzzi, but they chose Mona Lisa because they thought that she would be more entertaining.
And even I think that's also because of the increasing bonding between both of them. I mean we've seen since at least since last 2 days or 3 days that the bonding between Gaurav and Mona Lisa is developing into something else.
Yeah, not exactly something else, but yeah, since Gaurav has been distancing himself from Bani and Mona Lisa, we all know has been missing Manoj Punjabi from the day he has left the show for doing the last rites of his mother. So both of them had those weak moments inside the house, and that's when the bonding between two of them happened.
We also saw that during the task, we also saw that Manveer, Manoj was very upset with whatever Manveer was doing. He thought that he is taking more side of Nithiba and not supporting Mona Lisa, and he was wondering what happened in the last 7 days that his priorities have shifted. He realized all of a sudden that he is just playing the game. He is not using his heart.
Actually, and he even mentioned that how Nithiba used to talk ill about Manveer from the first day in the Bigg Boss house, and he is not very happy with the changing dynamics in the relationships and between the bonds in between new bonds developing in the house.
So do you think that there is we also saw that he saved Lopa from getting involved in any kind of task or any kind of exam, to be said rightly?
Yeah,
so do you think there's a soft corner in his heart
somewhere? I think yes. But if we see from what has happened in the past, we have seen both of them not getting very well with each other. But after he has come back, maybe he has seen something. Maybe he has seen some previous episodes of the show that he has developed this soft corner for Lopamudra. That only will know when he'll be back in the house. And he'll be back in the house today, as we see that Priyanka Jagga and Manoj Punjabi both will be entering in the house through the confession room. And we'll see Manoj Punjabi spilling the beans about his whereabouts and Mona Lisa's performance in the house and what outsiders think about her. So we'll see today what will happen next in the Bigg Boss house. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.